Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to be talking in reference to doing vSphere optimization assessments, or VOAs. Partners will do VOAs for their end customer. Basically, a VOA is to install vRealize operations into their environment, and then using the operations management tool we will collect a bunch of analytics information about their environment. We will then run reports against that information after it's been running for a couple of weeks, and then we provide that information back. So that is the vSphere optimization assessments, or VOAs. Now, as a partner, where you would go to get started when someone comes to you and says, we'd like you to start doing VOAs with your customers, one of the first things that the partner needs to do is to go out to Partner Central and log in to the page associated to those VOAs, to where all the information that they could possibly need to conduct VOAs is there. So where we're going to go is, as you see here in the browser, is the vSphere optimization assessment tool will be at www, or without the www, it's going to be vmware.com/go/vSphere optimization. So that is the website that you go to. And once you go to that website, as you see, it goes to Partner Central, or it has a Partner Central login. So you're going to put in your Partner Central username and password to log into it. Now, this is the main page that you come to for the vSphere optimization assessment. You, for example, here, depending on what country you're in, what language you need to use, you can set your language. So I've set mine to English. Now, this page has everything you could possibly need to do vSphere optimization assessments, or VOAs. The four-step process of engage, install, show, and sell. You can see here they've broken the information down to each one of these sections. And here is the technical resource kit for product version 6.x. So that's VROps, or vRealize Operations 6.0. You'd go here to download it, click on that link, hit the download button. Once it downloads, it'll be a zip file, and then you can open up that zip file. And here I've opened up the file to show all the different files that are in there. And as you see, you've got another zip file within that for the product generation reports, and there's the folder of those reports. So going into each one of those reports, this folder here has the pack file that you're going to install, which I have another video about installing that pack file. And then this folder here shows the PDFs associated to each one of the phases of the VOAs, and how to view the reports associated to that. So that's one critical thing that you want to download and get to all those files. And again, there's information and resources related to each one of these steps. As you see here for the show, that's when you're going to do the reporting. The install, again, like I said. Now, to download the actual vRealize Operations software, you see that we have download evaluation product here. So it takes you to downloads. And depending on what you're doing and to which version that you may need, you can see there's a bunch of different information here, what's in the packages, the different editions. There's a link to the license and the download. So there's a lot of information in here, and it depends on whether the customer already has vCloud Suite, whether they do or don't have vRealize Operations already. It just depends on the individual customer as to what you'll be downloading. But as you can see here, there's several different links to the information associated to downloading vRealize Operations. Now here especially are some resources such as videos for installing, configuring, running reports. So here's a lot of videos that are very helpful for partners to learn how to do the vRealize Operations assessments and all the different phases, to include the install and running the reports especially. So that's in the install section. Over to the right, you also see there's some additional resource videos that you can about doing reporting or anything like that, and also some other links to additional videos, additional tools. So as you can see, this website has everything that you could possibly need. So you as a partner, when you're getting ready to start conducting VOAs with your end customers, this is where you're going to want to start. You're going to want to come in, download the zip file here, which has all the PowerPoints and everything that you need, as well as I showed you within the install section where you can download all the technical resources associated to vRealize Operation 6, actually downloading the actual product itself, the OVA file to do the install, and then that other zip file again contains the pack file which installs all of the customized reports specifically for the VOAs. There's 4 of them. There is the phase 1, 2, and 3, which is essentially the day 1, 15, and 30 reporting, and then there's also a 4th one which is a consolidated report which has all the information that's in phase 1, 2, and 3's report, but all in one big report. Then you use that to do your final report to present back to the customer. You pick out whatever information is good for you. So again, for those looking to get involved with doing VOAs with their end customers, this is the place that you want to start. Get logged in, download all the associated information that you need. Again, there's a lot of training resources here, such as those videos I showed you. So again, everything you could possibly need is here. So make sure that you do go out to this website. Make sure you go out to the website, download all the appropriate content that you need, and good luck with doing your VOAs.